Jai Samna student. Today we are going to solve further the example based on the Karnaugh map, and the example is simplify the given function using K-map and draw logical diagram using NOR gate only. Function is f(abcd) is equal to pi capital M 0, 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. This function you have to solve. Now see here, the function you have given is of 4 bit. કેટલા digit નું છે? 4 variable નું છે. So you have to draw the diagram of a 16 cells. તમારે 16 cell નો diagram draw કરવાનો છે. So draw it like here POS function, so a plus b, c plus d. You can write here c plus d, c plus d, c plus d and c plus d. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Same a plus b, a plus b, a plus b, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now give the cell numbers. The cell numbers are 0 1 5 8 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Now put the 0 given cell numbers. Okay, so 0 1 5 8 9 10. Now try to make. Now see here, this is 0 0 and this is, so we can make the quad. This is known as a ruling of map. This is known as a ruling of map. Now this 0 remains, the adjacent has this, so you can make the pair of 1 and 5. Okay, this 0, but at this side there is a 0, so you can make pair. Now the solution says that the quad of cell numbers 0 1 8 9, 0 1 8 and 9. So which is the common variable in 0 1 8 9? So see here, 0 1 8 9, so this will be, so there is a C is not changed, so first answer is a C. Then you can see it here, there is a B, there is a B, A is changed, A is changed. What remains same? B and C. So answer is B plus C. Same, the pair of cell numbers, which are the cell numbers? Pair number 1 and 5. So 1 and 5, which is the common variable? So 1 and 5, you can see here horizontally these two are common, there is a is common, and vertically C plus D bar. So answer is A C plus D bar. So A plus C plus D bar. The same, the pair of cell numbers, the pair of cell numbers 8 and 10. 8 and 10. These two. 8 and 10. In this, you can see that which is the common variable. So this you can see. So D is the common horizontally, A bar plus B. So answer is A bar plus B plus D. So your function f is equal to B plus C dot A plus C plus D bar dot A bar plus B plus D. Now here you have given the answer must be, or draw the logical diagram using NOR gate only. So you have to draw f double bar is equal to B plus C dot A plus C plus D bar dot A bar plus B plus D whole bar. 1, 2. 1 is use the De Morgan's theorem. So it will be B plus C no bar. Then dot નું શું થઈ જશે plus. Then A plus C plus D bar. Then plus A bar plus B plus D. And then whole bar. So function 1 plus function 2 plus function 3 has a whole bar, means it's a NOR gate. Individually all the functions are in the form of NOR gate. So you can easily draw the diagram. તમે એનો diagram easily draw કરી શકો છો. How it is to be drawn? I will draw here. So you have given the 3 variables or 4 variables. So you have to A, P, C and D. So it's A, B, C, D. Now in our functions, how many variables? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 NOR gates are required and 1 for output NOR gate. So draw the 3 NOR gates. 1, 2, 3 and 1 is the output NOR gate. So the first is B plus C. First is connected with B and C. So you can directly take the output from the B and C. The same is A, C, D bar. So first A, then C, and then D bar. So it's a A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. And the last is A bar, B, D. So A bar, then B, and then D. So our first function is B plus C no bar. Second function is A plus C plus D bar no bar. And the third function is A bar plus B plus D no bar. So you can easily draw the diagram using this. Further, we will see the one example more. So you can easily elaborate. તમે એને easily સમજી શકો છો. બરાબર છે. તો આપણે એક બીજો એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈશું. Pi capital M 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. And 13. So this is the 4 variable Karnaugh map. So you have to draw the 16 cells. A plus B, C plus D. Remember one thing, this is the POS function, so you have to, and if it is SOP, then A, B and C, D directly return. C plus D, C plus D, C plus D, C plus D. A plus B, A plus B, plus B and A plus B. So it's a 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Same, A plus B bar, A bar, B bar. Give the cell numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now put the 0, the given cell number. So start 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now try to make the cells and quad. So you can see that so how you can make the quad or octet? Octet is not possible because here is not a 1 and here is not a 1. So it will be easily a octet. Okay. So I will add here 3. Suppose કે હું અહીંયા 3 add કરી દઉં છું. Okay, sorry. Now try to make. So you can make this 4. Okay. Then you can make also this 4. This 2. Okay. Then this 4. Okay. Then this 4. Okay. This is remaining, so it is also 4. Okay. So how many quads are there? There is a 1, 2, 3 and 4 quads and 1 pair is possible. 1 pair is possible. So the quad of cell numbers 8, 9, 10, 11. So which is the common? You can see here. These 4s are there. So this 4 also, but it is C bar, D bar. So C is changed, D is also changed. The common is only A bar plus B. So you can write here A bar plus B. Same, the quad of cell numbers 0, 4, 2, 8. So 0, 2, 4, 8. Ubu jo, so it's a C plus D. Then the quad of cell numbers, the quad of cell numbers 8, 9, 0, 1. So 0, 1, 8, 9. So these 2 and these 2, which is the common? So C is the common, B is the common. So it's a B plus C. Then the quad of cell numbers 8, 9, 12, 13. So this 4. So you can, A bar is the common, here is the C is common. So A bar plus C. And the last is the pair. The pair of, in this, A is common, C bar plus D. A is common and C bar plus D. So A is common, then C bar plus D. So our final function F is equal to A bar plus B dot C plus D dot B plus C dot A bar plus C dot a plus c bar plus d. So this is our answer. Now this will be converted into the f double bar function. So it's f double bar is equal to a bar plus b dot c plus d dot b plus c dot a bar plus c dot a plus c bar plus d. So a bar plus b no bar plus c plus d no bar plus b plus c no bar plus a bar plus c no bar plus c bar plus d no bar, then bar. So there is a 5 functions, function f1, f2, f3, f4 and f5. So this function is now to be implemented. Okay, so see here. So 4 functions are given. So draw the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. Okay, A, B, C, D. So how many functions are there? There is a 4 functions. It's a bar, it's a b bar, it's a c bar and d bar. Five functions are there. So draw 5 NOR gate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is for output NOR gate. Now connect. The first function is a bar plus b. So take the output from the a bar and b. So it becomes a bar plus b no bar. Then c plus d. So it's a c and it's a d. Then b plus c. Then a bar plus c, a plus c bar plus d, all the functions are connected with So this is our final functions, the logical diagram. Okay, this question also asked like that, simplify the given Boolean function and draw the logical diagram using simple logic gates. તમારે આપણે જે logic gates છે એનાથી પણ એનો ડાયાગ્રામ દોરવાનો પૂછાઈ શકે. So you have to make practice of both. બંનેની તમારે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવાની છે. Okay, so this is the completion of unit number 3. Okay, in the further we will start the unit number 5. Jai Swaminarayan.